Good morning. Milo did not let me sleep in today, so I decided to get up and start my day doing a no makeup look using one of my favorite CoverGirl products, Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation. I was lucky enough to be the face of this product when it launched in 2020, and it went viral on TikTok a year ago, so shout out to that. I'm very adamant about wearing sunscreen, especially during the summer, but I do get freckles, and I like that this foundation lets them show through. Now I'm using my CoverGirl concealer and finishing off my look. Using my very spongy makeup sponge to set things in my setting spray. Doing the brows, curling the lashes, using my CoverGirl mascara. And finally, some blush. Ta-da! Milo's favorite place in the world is underneath my bed. What a little weirdo, but I love him so much. Thanks for watching, CoverGirls.